Here's one of the most common mistakes that I see a lot of buyers do in today's market. They end up going to the listing agent directly just to make sure that they can get the best offer possible and actually get the house. In the last 3 sales that I'm doing right now, working with a seller, I've actually saw that they bought the house in the last 5-10 years, and the agent that they used never told them to do a tank sweep. And we ended up finding tanks in the ground that the buyers now are asking the sellers to take out. Now, in the state of New Jersey, it's not a law that you got to take the tank out, but it can cause a huge environmental issue if that tank leaks. And no buyer is going to buy a house with an oil tank underground in today's market. If you are a buyer, or even if you are a seller, make sure that you have no tanks underground, because that's going to impact the sale and it's going to cause a lot of delays. So make sure that if you are buying a house, talk to an agent that you can trust and make sure that they guide you through all the steps, and not buy a house with an oil tank. It can be very costly and it could cost tens of thousands of dollars to actually take that tank out, especially if there's oil leak in the ground. And then because they have to go through remediation, and that process can take a very long time because it requires city inspections and state approvals and documentations that are very lengthy, and it can delay the sale. So if you are doing this, make sure that you use an agent that's not really representing the seller at the same time, because a lot of times in this market, especially, a lot of agents, sadly enough, all they care about is their commission and they don't care about your best interest.